What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's, back with another informative video. And today, guys, we have the newest model 2020 of the Sony Briva. I basically pre-did the unboxing because I didn't want you guys to have to sit through that boring part. I don't like really watching unboxing come out the box part, but more so the TV being shown and displayed and everything. So without further ado, guys, make sure you hit that like, sub, and comment, man, and let me know what you guys think. It's going to be a full review. There are going to be multiple parts to this video. This is going to be the first part, and you can see the cable and all the opticals it has. It has 4 HDMIs, and then up the side, it also has the video yellow and green still for headphones, and it has 2 USBs on the side, and it also has a USB down here as well. So you're gonna get plenty of plug and plays on this TV. And with this new model, and guys, you have to remember, on all models of TV, there's always a later model in the year where they fix things that weren't fixed before. So if you can see with this model, the arms that go in here, they're already assembled inside. You don't have to, before they had them where you push them up in. These are not like that because these have speakers that are at the bottom. There are the speakers, the center of the TV, and then the other set of speakers. Okay, now this is the newest model. The TV plug-in will be over here, and yeah, that's basically it. So this is a newer model. I don't particularly care for the legs too much, but I know that they're going to be sturdy and they're going to work like they're supposed to. And you can do them one or two ways. You can have them in like this, where the TV's out like that, or you can have them facing in. It's your choice. I'm going to make mine flip out so it'd be a lot more stable. And it comes with this. There's a controller, child hot guide, and that's pretty much it. I'll be back with the next part of the video, man. Peace. All right, guys. So in addition to putting this together, this has, so you can see the best angle, because some people show stuff and don't show it the right angle. It opens up so that you can run the cords down it from this area down into it. And anything you have on this area, this can go inside of there. So these open up. See how they open up and they clamp back down? I didn't know that about the TV. So there you go. That's pretty awesome. Okay, Ghost Gang. So this will be the first fire up of the Sony Briva 49-inch, and it gives you like a welcome screen, and it has like a little button. Here's the controller. As you can see, it has like a kind of like a stainless steel type of look, but I seen a guy's video and he said that it actually used to look better, but I think it's perfectly fine. I'll show you the side of it, show you how thin it is. It's nice and sleek. I love it. It's actually really nice. And it has some grip on the back. I don't know if you can see that, but it has some nice grip on the back. It says quick setup your TV with your Android phone. I'll skip because I don't have an Android phone, I have an iPhone. And then the Wi-Fi connection. So I'll be back with the next part of this once I connect to the Wi-Fi. What's good, Ghost Gang? This is the next part of the video, and I'm so excited. The screen, the graphics is so awesome. It just, the way that it plays, the way that it taps through everything is so quick, lightning fast. I'm so excited, man. You see they got the bad boys down here, man. It's just so awesome. All the stuff that you play through. The sound is over here in the corner. It goes all the way up and go all the way down. I'm pretty sure it goes straight to 100 or whatever. But I'll be back with the next part of the video. What's good, Ghost Gang? So you can see we're back in the game. You can see my mod player, and look how vibrant those colors are. It looks sweet. You can tell purples from browns, yellows, blues. Like, oh my goodness, man. You can't even begin to understand how great the color looks because, you know, you're actually, you know, I'm only viewing it probably in 1080p, so you really can't see. But here's some more color, so that should show you a little bit. But man, it looks 10 times better than my last TV. I'm so excited and happy. This is the Sony Briva X900H, and I'll be back to explain some more with it. I just wanted to show these clips and these videos to kind of show you the coloration and how everything looks, how the color looks when you're looking around. It's Halloween time. You see the pumpkins over here. I mean, it just looks amazing. I'm in love with the TV already. I can just tell. Much clearer experience, and you can just see the detail in the character. Like, the further you get back, the more it looks smoother. It doesn't have that washed out feeling, and it's really hard to tell you guys from looking through the video, but I'm trying to give you my best analogy possible from just recording it. It's pretty tough if you don't have a 1080p camera that's able to get that kind of definition where it shows exactly what you see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. I'll be back with the next part. What's good, guys? Here's the next part. So I just wanted to show you guys the bezel of the TV is very sleek and thin. You can see the bezel of the TV is very sleek and thin. And the legs, I'm getting used to them. You can see it says Sony there. And you can see the colors that are on the wall, how good they look. When I cut the light off in the room, the color just it popped more for color when I showed it in the darkness. So you can see the colors there. I noticed, you know, recording this doesn't show justice, but I can definitely rest assure you that it looks awesome. All right, I'll be back with the next part of the video. Hope you guys are enjoying. Okay, guys, I also want to show you guys right here. There is a button right here. That's for the power and the volume up and down. And that's on the back of the Sony TV. Okay, all right, on to the next part. A lot of people probably didn't know that. Okay, guys, so I'm back with this next part of the video. You can see nice bezel around it, and I'm playing Destiny 2. And you can see this guy here is level 1095 with plus 36. Imagine. But I'm telling you, his guy looks, whew, that's a mean looking character he got there, man. He doesn't even almost look like a Titan no more. But that is the Titan. That's sweet looking, right? All right, man. I'll be back with the next part of the video, guys. Okay, Ghost Gang, so now that I've shown you the TV and show you the results and what it looked like, and I had about 4 or 5 days to spend with this TV, and after reviewing it, playing with it and everything, I did like the interface and I did like the things that the TV did. My final verdict is 8.5. It has beautiful dark blacks and vibrant colors, but I wasn't happy with some of the interface stuff when it came to, like, the sound went in and out of it. I hadn't even had it for 4 days. And then it did it again. And then it wouldn't connect my controller. It seemed like it didn't want to connect to my gadgets like I wanted them to. So, but my final verdict is an 8 or 8.5. You can get it here at Best Buy. That's what I paid for it, $1,000. I did end up returning it because I didn't like the faultiness that was in this TV. But I feel like this is a good TV if you like to watch movies, TV shows, stuff of that nature. Now, if you're going to do gaming, this may not be the TV for you. You are able to get the X900, which will have the VRR eventually with the update, and it will also have the HDMI 2.1 update coming also. I don't know how they do it through firmware and how that all works, but that'll be more of a TV to go along the lines of gaming. And I'll be with you guys with another video that'll show you the TV that I'll have links to that in this channel of a TV that I suggest that's a better gaming TV by LG. But that's not what this video is about. It's about the Sony Briva X950, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I put it together enough for you guys to understand and know what's going on with the TV, the colors, the functionality of what it does. It's a pretty snappy TV. It does everything the way that you want it to, but I think I probably had a faulty one, and then I tried to go after the X900 that it wasn't going to have it till after the holiday, so I went for LG, which I'm accustomed to and always had throughout my years of having TVs. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys be sure to leave a sub, like, and comment. Peace.